we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty drill. List number 1. An Ecro SDS Plus 12.5 amp rotary hammer drill and a 3203 heavy-duty hammer is your wise choice. It can reach 880 R/min no load speed and 4,350 per max impact frequency applies to various working like dismounting walls, breaking floors, decorating houses, etc. With a good heat dissipation system and a 3203's motor will not be at high temperature even after a long time working. The double function switch design can extend 100% service life compared with single function switch design. 3 different functions of drill. List number 2. VONHOUSE 10 amp 1/2 heavy-duty drill mud mixer. Powerful and versatile, the dual functionality VONHOUSE spade handle drill doubles up as an effective mixer and a powerful drill. 10 amp motor offers maximum performance when drilling large holes in tough materials such as hardwood or mixing liquid materials like paint and cement. 360-degree rotating handle takes the elbow grease out of drilling and mixing tasks. List number 3. MPT 1500W Heavy-Duty Rotary Hammer Drill. 3 modes: drill, hammer, and chisel can be switched easily by one function key. MPT SDS Plus Hammer Drill can be used in various drilling tasks. Professional rotary hammer mode can crack stone, masonry, concrete, switch to chisel mode to remove tiles, concrete, bricks, hammer, and impact drill 2-in-1 satisfy your different needs. MPT heavy-duty power hammer with 1500W high power provides higher drilling efficiency and finish concrete working with ease and precision. List number 4. Antal 11/4-inch SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill. The powerful hammer drill is very easy to use and made quick work of your concrete drilling project and tile floor demolition. Also working good on backyard renovations, such as break up some cement and bricks. The hammer function is very effective for chiseling concrete. Double-layer anti-dust bottom structure extend the hammer's use life. The chipping hammer comes with 3 bits for drilling holes, 2 chisels for breaking concrete. List number 5. Tech CPO Power Drill Cordless Drill. Power drill with 530 pounds, 60 Nm peak torque. The upgraded powerful 4-pole copper motor is more powerful than other 2-pole motors and can ensure 25% more stable and long-time operation. 24+1 torque setting generates 150% precision of torque adjustment than regular 16+1 drill, 2-speed transmission for a range of drilling holes and driving screws on wood, metal, and plastic. Drill set with 2000 mAh large capacity lithium-ion battery and 2 ultra-fast charger. The additional battery